Thandai is a refreshing milk-based beverage specially associated with the Holi festival. But during dry summer winds, Thandai makes you feel cooler and have many other health benefits as well. So let's make this Thandai and enjoy your Ramadan as well as your Holi. For this wonderful traditional drink, I have used here 1/4 cup of pistachio or pista, 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of melon seeds, 1/4 cup of cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of saunf, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/4 cup of poppy seeds or khaskhas, and a handful of dry rose petals, or you can use the fresh rose petals too. And you need to wash it and soak it for around about 6 hours. So remember, you have to wash everything together and soak it for 6 hours, minimum 6 hours. All the ingredients used here, each and every ingredients have their own health benefits. Like watermelon seeds or melon seeds, which I have used here, they give us energy, protein, iron. Rose petals helps in digestion problems. Almonds loaded with health benefits, Poppy seeds contain iron, phosphorus and fibers. So a lot of benefits you'll get with this drink. After soaking it for 6 hours, you can peel off the skin from the pistachio or the almonds, or you need not to also, because we'll grind it, everything, mix it together, and see, after soaking it for 6 hours, all the nuts and the cardamom or elichi which we have used has soaked water a lot. And now we'll grind it. Don't throw away the water which we have soaked it, grind it with the water. And now we'll grind it into a smooth paste. You can peel the almond skin or the pistachio and soak it, or you can leave it like this, because we are grinding and we'll strain it again. So now after once I have grinded, and now I will strain out so that the paste becomes smooth, as we want a smooth paste. Now again I will grind it till there is no roughage. Now after 3-4 times I have grinded it and there is no roughage, and now I will transfer it in a kadhai or a pan, and I will add here sugar. To make it more healthy, you can cut down the sugar quantity, and as I'm making the Thandai, so I'm going to add here around about 500 grams of sugar and mix it well. And now I will put it on the gas till the sugar dissolves. It is very easy to make. I'm adding here some saffron. If you have saffron, then you can add, otherwise you can skip it, just for the flavor and the color. And also saffron has very good health benefits too. So mix it well and cook it in slow flame till sugar dissolves. See, the sugar has dissolved and the color has been changed into dark brown, and till it becomes thick, I will stir it, and once it is thick, it will become a syrup sort of thing. So I have used the quantity measurement. It will make around about 50 to 60 glasses of Thandai. You can store this in a glass jar in the freezer for about 6 months, and whenever you feel tired or you lose your energy while doing the Ramadan, in the evening, do try this with some full fat milk and some ice or cold water, and 1 tablespoon of Thandai mixture syrup which you have made. Add it and garnish it with some pistachio or some almonds and some saffron threads, whatever you like, and do enjoy it. And I hope that you will make it, and you will have this in whole summer, because it have a lot of health benefits. Bye bye, take care, and do try this and let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.